Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Everything okay? I hope you're doing really well. My name is Marco, I'm from Chile, and today I will teach you the numbers from 0 to 100. This is a material that is complementary to our podcast Speaking Spanish for Beginners, which is right here. If you haven't listened to that podcast, we are teaching Spanish from scratch in season 1. So if you're just learning Spanish, I would recommend that you also listen to that podcast. Okay, everybody, let's get started. We will count until 30 because until that number, you basically have to learn the numbers by heart. And after that, we will go in tens because I will explain a little rule that will help you to make the numbers starting from 30 until 100, okay? And by the way, feel free to repeat the numbers after me so you can practice the pronunciation. Okay, here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, and as I explained before, from 30 onwards, there is a little rule. So basically what you have to do when you start from 30 is add e plus the other number. For example, if I want to say 37, I would have to say 37. That's the way we write it. Normally when we speak it, we would just say 37 in a shorter way. But the way we write it is different from the rest because we normally have to add this e plus number. So let's have a look at the numbers in tens and then we will do a short exercise so you can practice what you have just learned. So we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, by applying the rule that I just explained before after number 30, how would you say the number 59? You can pause the video and think about this a little bit before I give you the answer. So the number I want you to say is 59 in Spanish. How would it be? Did you say 59? That's the right answer. Okay, how would you say the number 74? Did you say 74? If that's so, that's the right answer. Now with 70, be careful because many people, when they hear this word, they confuse it with 60. 60 and 70 are normally confused, even by native speakers. So be careful with that because they are very easily confused, 60 and 70. Now let's have a look at the number. The next one that I want you to make is the number 37. What would it be in Spanish using the rule that I just explained? The answer is 37. And finally, my friends, I will tell a number like native speakers do, and you have to write it down. You can write the answer in the comment section, or you can also subscribe to our group on Facebook and post your answer there. So here I go. The number I will tell, and Normally when we tell numbers, we combine individual numbers and also we tell them in groups sometimes. So I will do that basically. So let's see here. So the telephone number is 22 33 97 34. And well, mis amigos, that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to click like and also subscribe to our channel to receive news when there are new videos available. Also, we invite you to listen to our podcast Speaking Spanish for Beginners, which is intended for people who are just starting to learn Spanish. And also we have a podcast for intermediate students which is called Latinele Aprende Español. And if you're looking for a professional tutor online, you can book a lesson with us on our website www.latinele.com. See you soon. Hasta pronto. Chao, chao.